Hello and welcome back, everyone. Today's episode is all about the magic of ginger. We're going to turn this spicy root into candied ginger, soothing ginger honey tea, handy ginger ice cubes, and we'll even save the residue for future use. Ginger is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, aiding in digestion, reducing nausea including car sickness, and potentially reducing the risk of heart disease and cancer. Now, let's transform this amazing root into delicious treats and healthy concoctions. I've got 2 types of ginger here. The bigger one is tender, which I'll chop into small squares. They are just the right size for candying, small enough to pop in your mouth, but big enough to savor the flavor. The smaller ones I'll slice thinly. Both go into a pot of boiling water. This process not only reduces the spiciness of the ginger, but also creates a richly flavored water, imbued with all the healthful properties and zesty taste of ginger. After boiling for 30 minutes, I save this ginger-infused water. You can use it for broth to add a wonderful depth of flavor, or make some fantastic tea with it. Now, let's candy some ginger. Add 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of water to the ginger. We'll cook this on medium heat. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent burning. When the ginger turns translucent and the syrup thickens, it's time to take them out. I spread the candied ginger on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Be careful, they're really hot. I use a spatula or fork to separate the slices. Once they are cooled to room temperature, sprinkle lots of sugar to coat them. This sugary coating not only adds an extra layer of sweetness, but also prevents the candies from sticking together, making each bite a perfect blend of spicy and sweet. Now these glistening pieces of candied ginger are like little jewels of flavor, ready to brighten up a chilly day. They are ready to enjoy in this cold weather, and I've made enough to last the whole season. Let's whip up a warm, soothing drink, perfect for those cold winter days. Start with a generous squeeze of honey in your mug. Next, pour in the ginger water we saved earlier. This is our spicy, flavorful foundation. Finally, add hot water. Stir in gently to combine everything together. Voila! What you have now is more than just a tea. It's a cup of coziness, perfect for those cold winter days. Remember those ginger trimmings. They're not going to waste. I use a juicer to extract every bit of goodness from the remaining ginger. Freeze this juice in ice cube trays. They're perfect for cooking or to add a zesty kick to your drinks. And in our kitchen, we embrace a no-waste philosophy. The ginger residue, often overlooked, is a hidden treasure. As it slowly dries at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, the aroma that fills your kitchen is simply divine. Once it's dry and cooled, the possibilities are endless. Store this ginger gold in containers or pack it into tea bags. It becomes a go-to ingredient for enriching dishes with a subtle, spicy warmth. And there you have it. Candied ginger, ginger honey tea, ginger ice cubes, all from this incredible root. Thanks for joining me on this ginger journey. Stay warm and I'll see you in the next video.